Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the possible value of x and y, given that we have x minus y equals 99. Let's name this as question 1. Then xy equals 84. Let's name this as equation 2. Then to solve this simultaneously, we have to make either of the parameter as the subject of formula. So let us recall from this equation 2. So from equation 2, we have x minus y equals 99. So to make x as the subject of formula, we have to eliminate this minus y. To eliminate minus y, we can add both sides by plus 1. So here will be x minus y plus y equals 99 plus y. So from this side, we have x. This, we cancel out this, will be equals 99 plus y. So we can name this as equation 3. Then from here, let's substitute this equation 3 into equation 2. So let's have equation 3 and 2. So we have equation 3 to be x, y to be equals 84. And we say x equals this. So we are going to have 99 plus y times y equals 84. So from here, let's open the bracket with y. This 9 times y, we have 99y plus y times y will be y squared equals 84. Then let's rearrange this expression. So we are going to have y squared plus 99y equals 84. So taking this one here, then setting here to be 0, or let's subtract minus 84. So here will be y squared plus 99y minus 84 equals 84 minus 84. Here will be y squared plus 99y minus 84. This side will be equal 0. Then we have to solve this using quadratic formula. We have y to be minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where we have b as the coefficient of y, which is 99, and we have a as the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. Then we have c as the constant, which is minus 84. So we are going to have this guy here, y minus 99, positive or negative, square root of 99 squared. 4 times a is 1 times c minus 84 over 2 times a, which is 1. Y equals minus 99. Then positive or negative, square root of 99 squared will give us 9801. Minus times minus will be plus. 4 times 84. 4 times 84. This will give us 336 over 2. So we have y minus 99, positive or negative, adding this together with 9801. We have this 10,000 137 over 2. So we have this as when we have y as, so as this junction, we can have the value of y to be cos this. Then to get the positive value of x, let us recall that we have x to be equals 99 plus y. So we have x from this side to be 99, then plus our y equals this minus 99, positive or negative, root of 10,137 over 2. So x 99 minus times this will be minus, then we have 99. So this times this again will be plus or minus square root of 10,137 over 2. Then let's find the LCM. This one divided by 1. So hence will be equals 99 times 2. Here will be 99 times 2 minus 99 positive or negative square root of 10,137 all divided by 2. So we have x 198 minus 99 positive or negative square root of 10,137 over 2. So we're going to have this guy here again as from here 198 minus 99 will give us 99 positive or negative square root of 10,137 over 2. So again, we also have the value of x. The value of x to be 99 positive or negative square root of 10,137 over 2. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos. These are the two possible values of x and y.